What's up guys, this is Alex here. 2007 Toyota Sequoia. The rear, the tailgate latch has been broken, as you see. So the door was locked. I get in from the inside, take the panel off, take this cover off. So what you're gonna do, just hold the tailgate down, take the clip here and here and one more here out. There is two screws for the latch from here and here. You got to take off the cover, the rubber cover off, and use the long extension with the 10 millimeter from here. Take that out. So after that you will be able to take the whole thing out. What I did in this scenario, as you see, this part was broken. So in order to buy that, I found the screw, I drill it in there. As long as it can hold the piece over here, we should be good to go. So to put back the cable, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna release it from here, from the bottom, so I can access there. Take the cable out, put it back together over there, and I'm gonna show you in a minute how this thing is gonna work.